Hello everyone. I hope you along with your family and friends are doing well and safe at home. I'm Amit Saluja and I head the Gandhinagar Center and the manufacturing vertical at NASCOM CO. Now today I wanted to talk about the manufacturing scenarios under the lockdown. What is the impact and maybe what can we do? There has been a sudden shift in the way we live today, correct? 2020 has redefined everything for us, right from how we communicate, work, study, what we eat, wear, our hobbies, and in fact, our lifestyle. Isn't it a different world now as we have entered into a new era of new normal? This is just a start with all the guesswork on where we will end up and when the things will become normal. But one thing is very sure, what we call it as a old normal will never be back. Virtually everyone in the world today is under the lockdown, and while it is helping us to contain the pandemic, but we all know it's hurting every businesses today. And manufacturing among all seems like is the worst impact. Working from home was never heard in the manufacturing, and leaders today of the from the manufacturing are faced with a very tough question of how to balance between people's safety and the business continuity. Situation now is that a lot of manufacturing plants are locked and few are operating under reduced production. None of us were prepared for it earlier, and we just followed the government instructions to stop everything which is non-essential. Now we are thinking, wish we could have done something earlier that could have helped us in the current crisis. The longer the lockdown period, bigger will be the challenges and it will become difficult to sail through. So there is a dire need to take some action which will minimize the impact in the future. What seems certain in this era of new normal is that digital will definitely rule the world. Enterprises who took the decision earlier and moved forward with the digital journey will give pat on their back for the decisions that they took and the investments that they made. But for others who were sitting on the fence thinking through whether to go ahead or not, I think it is a wake up call for all of them. Let's talk about the manufacturing plants that are operating now fully or maybe partially. I'm sure digitizations done earlier by them would have definitely helped them now to produce more with the limited workforce. Automations that was always talked with a pinch of salt is the most desirable things to have now. When lockdown will get eased, I'm sure instructions will come to have workers maintain a safe distance, take all the precautions. So this will mean the number of shift will increase and the overall number of workers at any point of the time in plant will reduce. Then the question is, are we prepared for the massive change which will happen? Let's talk upon what can we do, but before I get into that, I hope that the under the current scenarios, all the questions that used to come earlier about the ROI of the digital initiatives would have got answered now. Hope everyone is fully convinced that digital is the necessary investment and we need to move forward with it. Every organization, large or small, should use this time as an opportunity to accelerate adoption of AI, IoT, and analytics to integrate customers, employees, and vendors through the digital platforms. While automated production line can help, but the challenge is they are very expensive. So let's think of new ways we can have where we can have less workers operate in a plant with some precautions. Some of the solutions that can help us are the remote assisted assembly operations through the AR and VR technologies, using face tracking to manage the access control systems instead of biometrics. This will ensure that there is a touchless systems in place. We can monitor health parameters of the workers like temperature, pulse rate through the sensors which can be placed in the protective gears. This can help us an early warning on any possible health issue that the worker might be facing. Now these are only few. I am sure when we get on a drawing board, we can come up with a lot of other applications where digital can help in doing something remotely. This will need some deep thinking and brainstorming in every boardroom to come up with future strategies and action plan. Fortunately, we have something in hand now to prepare ourselves for the future and maintain and manage this crisis effectively. My sincere request for every manufacturing company, whether large or small, is to look for design thinking as an approach to define the future digital roadmap and the solutions that they would want to have. With such a big impact which has happened now, it will not be easy to lay out the plans without following a structured approach. Design thinking is a proven methodology under these kind of scenarios, and the tools under it needs to be leveraged as much as possible. NASSCOM CO is there to help. We are committed to building an ecosystem that brings together manufacturing companies and the solution providers to solve industry challenges with digital. Please do reach out to us if need any support on deciding what to do and how to plan your digital journey under current crisis. Best wishes everyone as we all work together to prepare for this new normal. Stay safe, calm and focus. Cheers. Bye. Thanks.